In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check page views of a single page in Google Analytics. To get started, open the Google Analytics property for the website you want to review. From the left-hand menu, go to Reports, then open Engagement and select Pages and Screens. This report shows performance data for the pages people visit on your site, including the total number of views. To find one specific page, use the search bar and enter the relevant page path. For example, you might search for a path like /products/example product rather than the full domain. Quick side note, for more straightforward Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Once you search for the page path, Google Analytics will narrow the table down to the matching page. You can then look at the views column to see that individual page total page views for the selected date range. If you need a more precise result, you can also add a filter for the specific page path, which is useful when several pages have similar names or URLs. And that's it. You've successfully checked the page views for a single page in Google Analytics.